Huh. There's 2 Novax signals up here, so I'm expecting 2 different chimes to go off. Huh. Come on. Come on. Oh. Holy crap, that sounded interesting. Just clicked. It was coming from that one. I'm expecting this one to go off. That one right there. That one's it came from that one right there. Now it's this one I'm looking for that needs to go off, and it's gonna be this one. This one just went off and it squeals. Let's see what this one sounds like. It's probably gonna sound different. Oh, that sounds interesting. Well, those 2 have different chimes. Let's see what this one sounds like now. I will get a call to get it to go back. 2 different Novax signals on different banks. And that one already went off, so I'm probably going to hear it again. So, who knows. See what this one sounds like, though. Oh, it does the same thing as the other one. I'm literally in thought. Look at that. The letter labels are starting to fall off. Look at that. There's a green light up there. That one already been pressed. This is probably going to go off in a moment. These, I guess they do work, and they're wheel locks. Well, just to clarify, these are wheel locks. And these right here are traffic signal